Hey folks, welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to show you how we build our desk setup in 2015. So this is the desk we built 3 years ago, and at that time our aim is to build a desk which fulfills our need and have plenty of space to keep our document organized. Also, we don't want to see the cable tangling in our desk. Underneath the keyboard tray we built charging stations so that we can charge our cell phone as well. This is the journey of this build. Since at that time we didn't think about starting a YouTube channel, that's why there is no recording of the setup building. The only thing we have these pictures which we click at the time of building this setup, and this is the only build which is missing on our channel. That's why we decided to put this in that list. In 2015 we also took part in Setup War episode 17 LG edition, where we ended up winning an ultra wide monitor from LG. Later on we also took part in LG Carbo Dream setup competition, where we again ended up winning another ultra wide monitor, and here they are look side by side. If you are interested in that video, then links are in the description section, you may check that as well. And if you like this video, then make sure to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment your valuable feedback in the comment section down below. Till then, keep making.